Hey, Austin, stop, down. Hey.
Come, Zadie gonna take it.
Really?
Come.
Really?
I don't see where it's.
Puppet show.
Uh-oh.
Really? And she understood. She
I
heard.
don't know.
Parents
It's
probably like
amazing.
cigars.
Kids either like take the things or they don't.
Had two, this was too much.
Yep, you need your help.
Hey,
Unless we cut it.
Not cutting.
what did I tell you?
Yeah, no, it was
What did
nice.
I tell you?
I didn't even get to eat in the Megillah, and then, but I didn't speak to one person for like more than 1 minute at a time. It's impossible.
Stay down.
Yeah, totally.
This is
So
my-
let's call. Do you know Zia's
Hey.
number by heart?
What is this from?